Whoa, the Kuta beach walk and Kuta area is full of local people. Check this out. A lot of those people are just simply locals. There's no foreigners. Where are you guys? No, only locals. Yeah, what's up? I'm just arrived to Kuta, legendary beach walk area, Kuta beach. Yesterday I make a video, but it was quiet, not many people watch it. So I have to go somewhere where it's busy. So I'm gonna get more views and I can buy Winnie rice so we can survive and we're not gonna die maybe tomorrow. Anyways, this is the Kuta. That's how does it look like. Kuta beach area, Kuta beach walk area. Beach walk mall is just on the other side. Behind me, traffic situation little bit. I'm gonna show you up to Kuta gate. What's cracking today in Kuta? So this is the Kuta just at the front of Zara actually. Not bad. Construction of the wall still in progress, somehow finished, somehow not. Oh, loud music in the bars, boys having a music now. Everybody wants to have a vibe like a beach club without a beach club. And yeah, this is it. Hello, that's the first foreigners. Finally, I see something. Yeah, what's up, Dago? How are you there? So that's the situation. A lot of local people, some foreigners as well, of course, but a lot of locals. Traffic, it's not that bad. People are moving. It's not so quiet, not so busy. Moderate things. And yeah, I'm gonna show a little bit you what's going on. This is the entrance to the Sheraton Hotel. So yeah, this is it. Construction of the wall, traffic situation. This Bemos. Anyways, that's the entrance to the Poppies Lane. What's going on here? Nobody's stealing the horse. The Poppies Lane 2. Yes, the Poppies Lane 2, I'm not mistaken. Yo, what's up? People hiding their faces. Drivers, Bemos, students, Harleys, horses, traffic, big buses. Well, Kuta is back. Somehow, kind of. Rossovito, I think Rossovito. Yeah, some three couple, lovely couple, sitting enjoying. Heading more and more into the main Kuta gate. That's all the action is going, basically. Well, construction of the wall, traffic, moderate, some people strolling around. This is it. Flapjacks. Also, I have to heading from beach walk to that direction because the sunset is soon, and if I'm gonna face the sun, everything will be lower quality. So it's also very important how you face the camera. The girls who selling the bracelets, they're still here. And then yeah, area of the infamous McDonald's, what was here, unfortunately is gone. I think everybody know the story already. However, it was McDonald's long time ago here. If you somehow missed this, now it's Indomaret, Alphamart, and others, mini market. People trying to catch the taxi. Oh, happy taxi driver. It's not even Bluebird. And yeah, McDonald's was exactly here. So some happy international tourists taking the taxi. Currency exchange rate recently. And this is legendary entrance to the Poppies Lane 1. Poppies Lane 1. Not so many drivers in them. Where they are? All of them, they are busy. Also, Bluebird. That's the recommendation. And this is actually the most interesting fact. This hotel, the heritage one, now become the Accor group. So I saw on the app looking for something. Is this hotel Kuta became now the Accor member. It's cool. And just at the front of it, there will be the brand new proper main entrance to the Kuta beach. And it looks nice with of course, the decorations, 1, 2 statues, and the memorial stone. I think it's memorial. There's some message who is responsible for that, something like that. So there will be brand new entrance. No more there, where is the Grandina, but here. So cool. And this is it. Sunset gonna be soon. This is the Batam 88 food court with the seafood. What nobody never is here. Another currency exchange, all the same. Yeah, this is it. I wonder how they're gonna make it. Actually, this entrance looks alright, but let's see how the final project gonna look. Actually, this one, the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel managed by Accor, not the Kuta my bad. All the negative comments, what I make a mistake, guys, apologies me. you can remove it. This hotel, anyways, nearly the same, but different. And then yeah, this is it. Actually, I'm gonna walk, show you a little bit. Starbucks. This Starbucks is totally not as that busy as the previous one in the beach walk because don't belongs to the mall, and it's a little bit hidden, darkish. And yeah, this is the Mercure Hotel. This is well, I have a memory when my car broke down actually exactly in this spot. And yeah, wedding package for 158 net, something like that. Oh, sorry mate, sorry, that's the event local registration. Not that busy, not that quiet, mixed feeling. This is, what is it, doesn't really matter, is it busy, is it quiet. I just wanted to show you what's cracking here. And so if you coming soon to Kuta, you like Kuta, you want to come here, you can expect something like this one. If you don't really like it, I'm so sorry, but still needs to make a video. Because that's the market in Bali. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And the Hard Rock Hotel taxi driver. Some happy tourists here walking. They're going to the main Kuta beach, I think, having some drinks. The guy trying to sell you something, offer you something. Yeah, and this is it. Also be careful if you're driving without the helmet. Sometimes the police likes to check here you if you drive with helmet or without. And generally it's highly recommended to always drive with the helmet, no matter of what. And yeah, and this is the Hard Rock Cafe. Normally it's busy here, but not like today, not that necessarily busy today, but this is it. This is it. I never been inside actually. This is such a shame. I should go one day, have something. Actually, some people chilling inside. 360-degree shot. Actually, the wall here is finished, looks like finished, and the modern gate, which wall is slightly smaller, not that tall. The gate is taller, if that makes sense. But this is it, and yeah, this is it. The main gate is over there, and it's actually more to the Grand Ina Hotel, more international visitors. Which is cool. Yo, enjoy. The mate gets stressed because he had a bintang in the can and see me as I'm filming. I don't mind. Enjoy your life, guys. Yeah, and the construction of the gate, the main Kuta gate, like this one, they're gonna actually keep the shape of the gate. They're just gonna change the I don't know, decorations. Like, gonna looks better when they finish. Of course, I'm gonna film it when they're gonna change it. And this is the Grand Ina corner, and the traffic is going. Actually, mix of two roads, one-way road, so that's why they're going all the time. But as you can see, mostly locals, only inside the cars, anyways. And yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street. Hope so nobody gonna drive into me. This lovely people driving. What's up, Dogo? And now is the direct view of the beach, Kuta main beach. This is it. Okay, that's the boys where I was filming last time, so maybe not today. Just wanted to show you a little bit what's going on the beach. Low tide, pretty clean. I'm gonna say. They're fighting there, training a little bit like a Muay Thai in Phuket or some sort of thing. Actually, maybe they came for holidays from Thailand or something. And yeah, sunset, the overall vibe on the beach. Okay, if I already make a 6 minutes of the video without editing, I'm just gonna keep going for another 2 minutes or so. That's gonna be a gate, and that's the stalls here. Brand new promenade, motorbikes are not allowed, electric scooters are not allowed. You can buy the coconut or the beer perhaps. And this is it. They have a toilets now, which is cool. Very cool for sure. Overall, that's the vibe. Busy, quiet, like I said. You can let me know what you think. It's kinda enjoyable. Beautiful sunset, gonna be very soon in general. This is it. You can also rent the surfboard here if you would like to surf. They actually posing for the picture, but I make a shot on the video. They start laughing. This is it, right? And yeah, this is it overall. That's the vibe. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Yo, what's up? Uh, jiggy massage, of course. You know what I mean? You know what they mean? This is old escuta, this slang. And yeah, and this is it actually. I don't know, actually would like to make me to this video slightly longer, or maybe already cut off, but I'm gonna keep going, not passing this this part that often. It's very similar like any other part of Kuta or like Seminyak, with the difference is the beach is getting smaller and smaller each year. So now they have a really problem where to put the tables and keep the business, because there's only space for one table, 4 chairs, or 2 tables, 8 chairs per stall. And after that they have to go down, and not necessarily everybody would like to go down because of, yeah, the beach is finishing. And this is it. Ooh. Here we go. Surfers, some lovely couple enjoying their beer, people strolling. Oh, this is first style with the happy tourists and happy aunties. Here we go. This is life. This is life in Kuta. You may like it, you may don't like it, but this is it. Since 1980s, like I could say. Here we go. Aunties are happy, people are happy, everybody are happy. Seems like happy days. Here we go. Sunset, last shot. Happy people. This is it, the future new entrance to the Kuta beach. The workers chilling after work. Fire ant, how we say it in Poland. I don't know if any other country is using the same word. This is it. Thanks so much for watching, listening. Hope so you enjoyed. See you tomorrow, as always. Yeah, take care, guys.